Alright everybody, now here's the unboxing I thought I was going to be doing before, but it was something else, and now should be great. I ordered a whole bunch. I went crazy one night and ordered like $1,300 worth of stuff. It's ridiculous. I have a problem. It's a big one. Let's see what we got here. Bunch of gloves. Bunch of cases. Airtights, I should say. So much stuff in here. Alright. Let's see here. Alright, well here's the 20 buffalo rounds. Silver. They're an ounce each. Let's see if I can get this off here. Pull one out for you. I got a couple of rolls of these. These are really beautiful coins. Pretty cheap too. As far as like premium and all that. I mean, look at that. There's a buffalo. That's a nice looking coin. Love that coin. Alright, let's see what else we got here. I got one of these because I don't have a 2-ounce coin. It's a Queen's Beast, and they have a special on. That's really nice looking. They have a special on this coin. And if you buy anything, well, it's like a couple coins, but if you buy one of the coins, you get entered in this. You can win like 15 10-ounce coins that are like the same as these. So I just got the cheapest one. This is like, I don't know, it's 40 bucks. This is a 2-ouncer, but either way, it's awesome looking. Like, look at that. This is 5 pounds. I mean, look how it's a 2-ouncer. Look how thick that is. It's crazy looking. But they had an airtight for it, so her capsule or whatever. So I got one of those too. Alright. Well, they actually don't look too bad. Anyway, so then I got a roll of Walking Liberties. They had a special on them. It was like 61% off the premium or something like that. They actually don't look too bad. Packaging. Let's see here. I just got cases for my $50, so my previous videos I didn't unwrap anything because I just had loose $50 everywhere. I got them now, so the complaint online is that some of them just look like slabs, they were saying, because they're so worn down. I mean, they're old, really old coins, but so far these look pretty good actually for how old they are. I mean, 1936, 1944, 43, 43, 42. Another 42. Alright, maybe this is what they mean. Some people were complaining. You can't even see a date on there, it's so worn. That's probably what it is. But I mean, they're really old coins, so to be expected, right? $37, is that 43? That one's really worn. 42, barely see that. I mean, that looks like it might, I mean, it looks really old. Like, is that a 1 and a 9? I don't know. 35, 45, 41, 34, 42, 45, 41. I don't know. They look like they're in pretty good shape to me, so I have no complaints whatsoever. I don't know. Look good to me. Goodbye. Alright. Oh. There we go. Oh, they came in their own capsules. I didn't know they would do that. It's crazy. Huh. Never seen that. Anyway. I don't know if you can see this. Yeah, there you go. Sort of. It's a 1/10 of an ounce. Kangaroo. It's a really cool looking coin. Ooh, there we go. And then here's a a brand new Lunar dog. I didn't know they came in these capsules. I went to bought these ones over here, but 2 of them didn't. So that looks really cool too. That's a 2018. It's nice looking. All right. Oh, let's see if I can get this one. All right. No, this should be a random year. Krugerrand, 10th ounce. That looks pretty cool. Let's see what year it is. Ooh, that's an old one, it looks like. Okay, so we can get it to go down in the plastic so I can see it. Huh. That's crazy. Look at that. 1980. Huh. So yeah. It was a random one and they sent me 1980. It was a random year. That's cool. It was pretty cheap actually too. Huh. And then, last but not least, I got a 1/10 ounce Britannia, Gold Britannia. That's the 2018. That's a cool looking coin. Anyway, that's what I got, so hope you enjoyed that. Subscribe to the channel for more.